Hey there, welcome to my blog ClearPMPExam. In the last video, we have seen about the foundation elements. Foundation elements are basically the basic building blocks, and today we will be covering one of them, which is understanding what is a project. If you don't know how to navigate, I would like to show you. You just have to press this, go to introduction, go to foundation elements, and you can see a lot of elements out there. So we will be today covering what is project. So project is basically characterized by two points, which is first, it is temporary in nature, which means it has got a start time and it's got an end time. So it has a fixed tenure. The tenure is can be of days and years as well. And second thing is it creates a unique product, service or result. So the Taj Mahal that is there in Agra in India is also a project. Do you agree with this? Yeah, it took so many years, but then there was a deadline, or there was an end result, or there was a unique product that was created after an end date. So it was indeed a project. So there are two important things that you should keep in mind while quantifying something as a project. First of all, it is unique. It should be unique. Unique is the end result and not the process. I've taken an example of a house. The process of making a house is almost same everywhere, whether you make it in India or somewhere outside. The process is exactly same. You put a foundation, you put bricks, and you cement it and whatsoever. But the shape, the size, the location makes the end result unique. So the second thing is the end result or the deliverable is not temporary like the project itself. For example, you can refer to Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was definitely a project, but after it was delivered, which was the deliverable was a Taj Mahal building, was not temporary. It has been there for ages now. So these are the two important things that you should keep in mind and really understand while answering questions, that what makes a project. Now the next thing that we'll be focusing on is to understand why do we need projects. Extremely simple. You will see tens of things in different textbooks on the internet on why we need projects, but there are only two simple reasons. First one is to create value for the business. You can create value for business by improving the product, launching a new product, by creating a product which is already launched by competition. You can generate a new product which the market is demanding. So these all things are actually creating value for the business. And secondly, to comply with regulatory, social or legal requirements. There must be a new regulation that has come from the government or a legal requirement that has to be fulfilled. So that also becomes a part of a project. So that work that has to be done fits into a project because it has an end time, and that whatever you're delivering is being delivered for the first time. The process may be repetitive in nature, but the end result will be different, or it will be new. As I said earlier, there are a lot of terms that are mentioned in PMBOK and other places, which can put you in a fix that these are not covered. But just try for yourself and try to put all those terms in these two places, and you will find that you cover everything. It is more important to understand the concept rather than remembering the terms. This brings us to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video, which is about importance of project management. See you then.